Let's do this Shim thing again. Hi, apa kabar? Nice to see you guys again. So, as the title suggests, yeah, sorry the voice is a bit cracky today. Just recovering from a bout of sore throat. And what's different today? Well, the lather is much better today. Much thicker lather. I read a lot, and based on most of the comments seems to point that my lather is not thick enough. So I worked up a pretty good lather this week, and this week the difference is I'm using the old type again. Position of the shim has changed. The shim is now below where it used to be top. So let's start shaving. And my camera decides to focus, that is. Again, camera went on the fridge just now, I don't know why. Anyway, I'm gonna start shaving now. Angle here now. Thanks to those many who constantly was commenting on the videos, telling how making sure I change my lather, saying that it wasn't thick enough. This time I really mixed in very little water, and I guess now I know, as long as you see skin, means the lather is not thick enough. And I'm going extra slow with this. Well, as slow as I can go. Using a new blade today with the Shim, and I still think that even with the Shim position change, the Shim seems to make this particular razor at least just mild enough, just efficient enough for me. Not overly, just enough. It's just in that nice niche that is enough, The first time the voice is really so bad this time. Bad throat infection. I think I got it from a younger one. And I'll be right back. Done with the face mask. Yeah, I saw most of the shaving videos. I noticed how thick their lather actually were compared to mine. So I finally fixed mine. Put in very little water. There was a good guide. Someone left a comment on Reddit on my video, pointed how to get a really substantial lather. I guess this, compared to my usual lather, is and does it make a difference? Oh yes, it does. A huge difference. Chalk it down to my Asian stinginess that my lather was always so thin. No, it wasn't that. It's just like I just didn't know what was the right consistency, and when you pay a little bit more attention to the minute details of the videos of what you put out, then you notice where the mistakes that you make. And really thanks a whole lot to all the comments of the people who took the trouble to actually comment. Really makes, you know, the shaving community alive when you do stuff like that. And you never know, you know, just spending a few minutes to comment on a fellow shaver's video will make their shaving so much more enjoyable. And they in turn would pass down the knowledge to someone else. So you have better shavers all around. There's a slightly more slickness that I get once I'm using the same shaving soap I'm using like last week. Second pass, good second pass. Just a little bit left here and here. I'll take care of that in the third pass. Well, Father's Day is near. Are you guys getting anything from the family? Or are you planning to just treat yourself to something? I might treat myself to the Phoenix Double Open Comb, which have been mentioned in more than one comment. I don't know whether it's by the same person, but you know, he was basically preaching to the choir right there. I like the looks of the razor, and I think it looks cool, and I was really planning to get it anyway. This is just one of those days probably I should just shut up and shave instead of trying to talk a lot. Voice really doesn't sound like me at home. Tell me what you guys think of the lather this week, okay? And thanks to you guys. I got it right this time. Sure feels I got it right this time. Trying to introduce wet shaving to a guy when I'm working with. No. Find that generally wherever I tell people, especially guys about this, they tend to think that generally they just didn't know where to get the razors. They knew there was something like this, and you would just say, you know, that flip thing where James Bond uses to shave, they'll know. And they are genuinely quite interested in the thing. It's just that, like I said, many don't know where to get it. They don't even know that the thing exists. And many tend to think that shavettes and straight razors are the same thing. And DE razors, what we're using now, is the same like maybe, you know, your Gillette very good treasure. Yeah. Happy to report back the Shim really has worked wonders for me. I don't get any weepers or anything like that, and might be due to the fact that the lather is better, but I don't think that's the only contributing factor. Okay, let me do a quick wash up. So, shave for this week done. You can see it was a very good shave. Using the same soap as last week. And thanks to all those guys who commented, better lather this week. I will come up with a review of the brush once I finish my third week of using it. I'm really loving it so far. And until the next time we meet again, Selamat berjumpa and bye from Malaysia. Hope you have many good shaves to come. And if this video reaches you before Father's Day and I release the next one after Father's Day, happy Father's Day to all and have good shave.